In this video, you will learn how to regain a professional career while living abroad. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Susanna and I am your coach. I founded Abroad with Susana to support international women when living abroad. My mission is to encourage you to acquire new skills to feel more engaged and motivated and fulfilled, finding a purpose while living abroad. My experience of more than 24 years, almost 25, I can help you to acquire the mindset that you need. How do you deal with change? Now that you live abroad and have faced many challenges, from 1 to 10, how difficult it is for you to deal with change? You have become an expert, right? You have managed very well with the new life. You have made new friends, your family is settled down, and you even have enrolled in some courses, maybe like getting new skills, like learning a language, maybe. You might even have taken your hobbies to another level. But there's still one thing that you miss, and that's having a professional career. You had to drop your career to follow your family, to support your family into this new adventure of living abroad. But you still feel unfulfilled, right? You need a purpose. You want something that is truly yours. So you can express yourself and contribute with your ideas, with your creations, with your services. You want to be seen. You want to be heard. You want to make a difference. You want to be an example for your children, for your family, to be a reference for your friends. You want to contribute knowing that big or small, you will leave this world a bit better than it was before, right? So you want to do something that makes you feel free, that you are able to express yourself. Please let me know your thoughts, your comments on the section down below. May I ask you, how will you cope with another change? How will you succeed if you have to move again? You will do it again, right? You know you can do it, right? Because you have done it, so you know you can do it again. So you know the steps you have to follow. So let me ask you, how will you succeed if you have to regain a professional career? You will do it again because you have done it before, so you know you can do it. You can start again. So let me share with you a course, a training that you can start regaining a career. But this time, you can do it from home, actually, but any home, because you will set up again and again in a new place, maybe. Because it will be an online project, an online career that you can take with you anywhere you go. You see, I was really like you. I've been moving abroad for more than 25 years now, and I always like to have a professional career. Yeah, I could work from time to time here and there in some of the places I've lived. But again, life happens and made me have dropped my career again and again. But since I joined an educational platform for entrepreneurs, I learned how to set up my business step by step. So my mission is to support international women like you find a purpose living abroad. I look for high quality courses and training where we can get the digital skills we need. I provide some emotional support so you can join this community knowing you will succeed again. This community of entrepreneurs supports each other, peers and mentors equally. So if I could gain again my professional career, you know you can do it too. Truly you can. Because you have had a career and you know you can do this. It's just a matter of getting, the new skills that you need. So with this training, you can learn them. Let me share with you the training. Click the button below and just let me know where to send them. Fill in the form with your name and contact details, and I will send straight away the workshop that got me started. You can start this training anytime you want. It's on-demand videos, and you can watch them and rewatch them, learn from them. And if you have any questions, please contact me. We can have a quick chat. It will be lovely working with you. You will see the benefits of belonging to a community of like-minded people, that we support each other. We grow while we learn and we earn. I will see you there. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it the thumbs up. And remember, there is a link on the section down below. I'll see you in my next video. Oh yes, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet.